Congratulations, Kiran, on becoming certified project management professional. Journey
Thank
of
you.
PMP is always awesome. So why don't you tell us your journey of PMP?
Yeah, first of all, thank you for you, Amar sir. My journey started with PMP way back in November 2018. That's when I first heard of PMP. So
Okay.
thereafter, when I spoke to my manager Piyush, he supported and encouraged me to prepare for the PMP exam. For the 35 PDUs, I joined XLR in Bangalore. I got the 35 PDUs, submitted the application, prepared for the exam, but somehow because of some personal commitments, I could not give the exam in 2019.
Okay.
But always I was keeping a view on what is happening with the PMP, and I came to know that there will be a change in the exam outline and also the exam pattern. Finally, in 2021, January 22nd around, I got an email from PMI saying that my application is still valid and I can write the exam before April 18. So then I started preparing for the PMI, for the PMP exam, and I scheduled it for 20th March. Yeah, finally I cleared in my first attempt.
And you cleared in your first attempt. Okay, that was a very descriptive but to the point journey, the way I like. Okay, Kiran, why don't you tell us the mocks you have prepared for the exam and which mocks, because this question I am getting on daily basis, which
Yeah.
mock is more
So
relevant to the exam?
I did not went for any paid mock exams, sir. I have been preparing, practicing some free online whatever mock exams available. There is one website called lovepmp.com. So
Okay,
they give us very
allowedpm.com.
good set of some 2,500 free exam, free practice questions, and they have even updated to shoot the new pattern with match the following and also multiple response type, and also the PM Prepcast that 120 questions, whatever free questions are available, that also I have practiced, and also the training institute XLR provided some mock exams. I have been attending those mock exams, and
So
that
you
really
did, so
helps
you
me
did it in
to.
the old fashion. I still remember when I did exam in the back. At that time, we didn't have so many Udemy mocks and all those. So I did all the mocks by only Rita Fast Track was available at that time, and even I didn't purchase it, and
Okay.
did the mocks in the same way. So it's really fascinating to see someone finally doing the things the old video without paying anything, doing all the mocks that are actually available in the market and you
Yeah,
can do.
yeah,
Okay, that's a very good way to do
yeah.
it. Okay, so
Actually, mock exams helps for sitting continuously for 4 hours, and how to set your have your mindset sitting concentratedly for 4 hours and doing the exam. But more the practice questions we prepare, that will help a lot to say, like whatever coaching call video calls you have in YouTube, and yeah, I have been following those YouTube videos right from February 1st, and yeah,
okay.
I have watched more almost all the last 2 months coaching call videos
Okay,
from
okay,
views.
that's good. Yes, good.
Yeah,
And let me just add to everyone. I started the series of Ask Amir Ali in which I started asking the question. Actually, I started after Kiran was asking me questions by email. Then I started making the series. Okay,
yeah.
instead of replying just him in emails, it's better if I make the videos and everyone can watch it. Okay, Kiran, let's talk about the real exam now. You did in home.
Yeah, yeah. It's online
Okay.
proctored.
Yeah, right now you are in Bangalore.
No, I'm in UK.
No, you're okay. Okay. So you did exam in home and
Yeah,
you had two breaks. You took both of those
yeah,
breaks.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I took
So
both the breaks.
how many questions were like match the columns questions? Drag and
Yeah,
drop.
I got around 9 to 10 match the following questions.
Okay. And were they difficult?
Except one, they are not difficult. They are the straightforward questions, like mapping the word given and the description of what it is for. So it is easy to match. I think all other are like situational questions. 100% all 180 questions are situational questions. We have to understand what is the situation and how project manager responds in that situation. But match the following are very easy and straightforward. If you have read about that, understood that, you can easily match.
And even they carry more point. Even they
Yeah,
carry more point, in my
yeah.
opinion. And what about the questions having multiple options?
Yeah, I got a few questions with choose two and also choose three. I think at least some 3-4 questions I got choose three and some at least some 10 questions I would have got choose two answers.
Choose two answers. Okay. So were you able to manage that time? You completed the exam in time?
Yeah, it was not easy, sir, actually, to manage the time. Actually, that was a difficult part. Whenever I was trying out some mock exams, I used to complete in around 3 to 3.5 hours. But the real exam, it's not
It
like that.
takes
First,
yourself. It takes yourself. I
yeah,
understand.
first 60 questions I completed in 80 minutes.
Okay.
So I feel a bit tense, like whether I will be able to complete in next 150 minutes the remaining ones. The next 60 questions I completed in 73 minutes, 73 around 77 minutes. So last 60 questions I hardly have 72 minutes to finish.
Okay. Okay.
So I
But
have to manage.
you are able
Yeah,
to do
able.
that. That's a very good thing. And you took two breaks. Highly recommended for everyone. There are
Yeah,
people
yeah,
who don't take break. I highly recommend for everyone
yeah,
that you must take the break so that your
yeah,
mind can get in motion. Okay.
yeah.
So coming back to the questions. So how much the exam was agile and how much the predictive environment?
Yeah, I can say like more than 50% agile for sure, sir. There are so many questions on
Agile or hybrid?
agile. Agile and hybrid. Hybrid questions are also there.
Hybrid questions are also there.
Yeah.
Okay. So in Agile, were they asking about four values, 12 principles, or Scrum?
Most of the times they don't mention as Scrum, but they will say iterations. So it can be maybe XP or also Scrum based. So there are so many questions on Agile, like they will ask so many times like this is the current situation and how as a project manager, it doesn't say like as a product owner or as a Scrum master how you will respond to the situation. So it is all the situational questions. So many
Okay.
questions I have got like if a new team member joined your agile team, how you are going to train them, mentor them,
So
questions like
team
that.
charter, ground rules, all those scope things.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
What about stakeholder and communication?
yeah. Stakeholder and communications also is covered, sir. For me, I think it has covered all stakeholder communication, risk, quality, everything has covered. Even procurement, I remember a couple of questions.
Any
Procurement is
formula
also covered.
question? Any formula questions?
No, sir, no zero formula questions. I have not used the whiteboard and I have not used the calculator.
No critical
I
path
got some
question.
questions on SPI and CPI, but they are not,
Without
we
calculator.
don't need
Okay.
a calculator.
You can do it without calculator. So this means no
Yeah.
critical path questions. How the exam checked scope, schedule, cost, and integration.
Yes, sir. There are questions on, I don't remember, but they have been covering all the parts, even this schedule compression and resource optimization techniques are also asked.
Okay, okay.
What
Were there any
definitely they have
question
there.
about compliance and Myers-Briggs theory?
Compliance, all those respect, responsibility, those four kind of questions I have not seen any
No,
questions.
compliance, health and safety compliance, environment
Yeah,
compliance.
those complaints also. I remember a couple of questions were there.
So, how would you rate your exam? Was it difficult than mocks or comparatively easy?
Yeah, it was difficult. So it was not easy. Definitely, it was difficult.
Okay, okay.
Time management was very difficult.
Time management is the issue
Yeah,
that I understand.
yeah.
How many three-line questions or more?
And most of them are 2 or 3 lines questions. I did not get any short question, one line
With
questions. Most of them are 2 or 3 line questions.
Good, good. Okay, would you like to recommend anything to our PMP aspirant? As you know, there are hundred of aspirants that are coming, especially in this March.
Oh, okay. So yeah, I think so. Whoever is preparing for the exam after whatever training they take and whatever books they are going to select for reading, we don't need to read the books more than once, or it should reading one time is enough. But they have to do a lot of practice questions, sir, like whatever questions you have in coaching call, and there are some other resources also available online. I think I remember, apart from your videos, I have been watching some videos from Prison, PMP with Ray, Andrew Ramadayal videos. All these videos helped me to practice lot of questions and the elimination technique, and uh, from your videos, I have been learning like how to not answer a question, where will easily fall into the
Yeah,
trap, and we'll
yeah,
try
yeah.
to answer which is incorrect. All those things we can learn from practicing more questions,
So
and we can
practicing,
easily understand what is our gap in the understanding, what to prepare.
so practicing questions and understanding them through different videos. Although Kiran
Yeah,
utilized, he didn't buy any simulator, but he kept on watching multiple videos from multiple sources and very good
yeah,
resources. So that's a very good way. So my friends, you see, there are many ways to do PMP. Kiran did it without any kind of sport. He was continuously emailing me. I am sure he must be emailing Ray, Andrew Ramadal, Prizan, and other people also.
mm,
No?
no,
Okay. So you need to continuously work, watch those videos, all those things, especially now this Kiran interview. So you can go and do those things and become certified PMP. Thank you, Kiran. Thank you very much for your time. And I wish you best of luck for your future endeavors, the reasons for whatever you have taken the PMP.
yeah. And one more thing I remember, sir. Whenever in your videos you used to tell, whenever we take any mock exam, when it takes 4 hours for the mock exam, and you used to tell it takes 8 hours to go through all the 180 questions, whether you answered it correctly or wrong. It is definitely good to go through all the questions, whatever explanation is given, and we have to see like why all the other 3 answers are wrong,
Loved it.
what what the other 3 options mean.
Why
So that
those are.
yeah, that will definitely help anyone preparing for the exams.
So doing the root cause analysis, I am
So,
especially
yeah,
in
root
last
cause
1 month, I
analysis.
am very much into
Yeah,
doing the root cause analysis of wrong question.
yeah.
Thank you, Kiran. Thank you very much for your time and best of luck for future.
Thank you very much, sir.